The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 488. What is the smallest number? Okay, so hinahanap natin ang smallest number. So given daw ang sum ng 4 consecutive odd numbers. So mag-assign tayo ng expression para sa 4 consecutive odd numbers. So ilagay natin yung x, ito yung smallest. Or ito yung smallest, ito yung first odd number. Okay? So kung ang x ang first odd number, yung second odd number ay magiging x plus 2. Kasi pag sinabing odd numbers, ang pagitan niyan ay 2. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7. So, ang pagitan nun, dun sa susunod ay 2. So, ang pagitan naman ng first, tsaka yung third odd number ay magiging x plus 4. And then, para sa fourth odd number ay magiging 2, 4, meron tayong x plus 6. So, ang sabi, ang sum daw ng 4 consecutive odd numbers ay 488. So, i-add lang natin itong apat na expression natin. Equal dapat yan sa 488. So, isolve na lang natin ng x. Yung x, yun yung smallest number. So, i-add natin itong apat na expression na to. Apat na x, so we have 4x. And then plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 12. And then equate natin dito sa 488. Then solve for x. So, subtract 12 to both sides. So, cancel this. We have 4x is equal to 8 minus 2, we have 6. 8 minus 1, we have 7. And then 4. Then last step, divide both sides by 4. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 476 divided by 4 is equal to 119. So the smallest number is 119, letter B. Follow for more.